This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. The Rolex market in 2025 remains fluid, with pricing and availability continually adjusting in response to both retail shifts and secondary market forces. A current look at available models highlights the range of options, from newly released references to discontinued favorites, each with unique appeal in the ever-changing luxury landscape. In this video, brought to you by the Luxury World, we will explore standout pieces from Rolex and examine how gray market pricing in 2025 compares to Rolex retail pricing. For those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, doing so will ensure access to upcoming insights and content that can further refine their watch investment strategies. Panda Daytona, discontinued in current references. Among the most iconic offerings is the Panda Daytona, available in both discontinued and current iterations. The newer reference 126500 features significant upgrades, including a ceramic bezel insert, slimmer baton markers, smaller subdials, and a high-contrast porcelain white dial. It pays homage to the Zenith-era Daytonas, enhancing its appeal. With a Rolex retail price of around £13,600, these watches are trading on the secondary market for just over £27,000, reflecting continued demand and extremely limited availability through authorized dealers. Waitlists can reportedly extend up to 2 decades, making the gray market the only realistic option for most collectors. Side by side with the new model, the discontinued Panda Daytona reveals several distinctions: darker subdials, thicker markers, the absence of the bezel insert, and a matte dial finish. Despite no longer being produced, it still costs £23,000 to £24,000 and remains a preferred option for collectors who appreciate its original design. Even with the newer version available, the previous model has held its value, emphasizing that design aesthetics can rival technical improvements in driving collector interest. 2023 Paul Newman Daytona, updated reference. Another standout in the Daytona range is the 2023 Paul Newman Daytona on Oyster Flex. While it has lost the signature red chronograph hand, a detail that some collectors favor, the watch compensates with a new movement case redesign and an upgraded glide lock clasp for enhanced comfort. This latest reference features a sportier, modern look and includes mechanical enhancements under the hood. Priced at £31,750 retail, the current secondary market offering is only slightly above list price, which is notable considering its scarcity in 2025. Yellow Gold Yacht Master on Oyster Flex. Transitioning to the Yacht Master lineup, the yellow gold variant on Oyster Flex offers significant value. Featuring a black dial and a matching yellow gold clasp, this 2022 model includes its full set of boxes and papers and is in near new condition. With a retail price between £28,000 and £29,000, the current market price is substantially lower at approximately £22,000. In comparison to its Daytona counterpart in yellow gold, which trades for £10,000 to £15,000 more, the Yacht Master emerges as a more affordable entry into precious metal Rolex sports models, offering a strong design presence without the inflated cost. White Gold Sky Dweller on Oyster Flex. In the larger category of Oyster Flex offerings, the White Gold Sky Dweller makes a compelling case for value. Measuring 42 mm, this timepiece features the black dial variant, typically the more sought-after version, and comes with a matching white gold clasp. Rolex's retail pricing placed this model just above £41,000, yet it is currently available at around £31,000, a full of £10,000 under MSRP. Despite its exceptional design and functionality, Rolex AD showcases are now well stocked with Sky Dwellers, largely due to pricing rather than desirability. Buyers seeking a bigger watch that remains stealthy and under the radar will find this model to be a sensible gray market acquisition at a considerable discount. Discontinued Ghost Daytona. The discontinued Ghost Daytona is another model to note, offering exceptional value following the release of its newer counterpart. Once trading for £34,000 to £36,000, current listings have dropped to around £29,990. This particular model is a 2017 release, one of the earliest versions, and is offered in pristine condition with full box, papers, and the sought-after white swing tag. While it lacks modern upgrades such as the bezel ring and glide lock clasp, the older Ghost Daytona offers visual charm through its wider dial patterns and nuanced gray tone. Many collectors even prefer the aesthetics of this version, and at nearly £30,000, it stands as a value-driven option with heritage and desirability baked in. New Ghost Daytona, 2025 reference. At the premium end of the market sits the newly released Ghost Daytona, a 2025 introduction. This white gold model on Oysterflex with black subdials and white gold clasp has captured strong attention. Retailing at £33,450, this variant is Rolex's flagship in the Oysterflex range, thanks to its sleek aesthetic and highly desirable dial. GMT Master II left-hand drive, white gold, green bezel 2023. This unusual left-handed GMT features a green ceramic bezel and black dial, distinctive yet subtle. While it resembles other variants, collectors know the difference. Priced just under £14,000, it remains in high demand, particularly in the Oyster over Jubilee configuration. A strong pick in the ever-popular GMT category. Sky Dweller, white dial, steel. Rolex's most complex sports model, with annual calendar and dual time zone, all adjusted via the rotating bezel. This 2018 model is certified pre-owned, in excellent condition, and comes complete with box and papers. The white dial is crisp and clean, priced just below £13,000, making it a great value under current retail. Yacht Master 40 Ever Rose Gold on Oysterflex. A luxurious sports piece blending rose gold with a black dial and strap. The 40mm size keeps it versatile, while the Oysterflex offers comfort and a sporty edge. With Rolex retail around £29,000, this full-set pre-owned example is offered at £24,000, great condition and excellent value on the gray market. Yacht Master Steel and Ever Rose Chocolate Dial. A more understated take on the Yacht Master, this two-tone model pair Ever Rose accents with a smooth chocolate dial. At 40mm, it wears well on most wrists and suits both men and women. While less hyped in the current market, it is one of the most underrated value plays at around £15,000. Sea Dweller 43mm black dial. Not to be confused with a Submariner, this Sea Dweller features a thicker case, helium escape valve, and 43mm size. The black dial adds stealth appeal. Unworn and available around £12,500, compared to a £17,000 retail, ideal for buyers wanting something bolder than the standard diver. Sea Dweller Steel 2025. A brand new 2025 release, still unworn and priced at £11,950, well under the £17,000 Rolex retail price. Same rugged build and deep dive capability, but a more approachable design. One of the best value for money pieces in the diver's lineup. Daytona Steel and Gold White Dial. Discontinued in 2023, this Daytona features the highly sought-after white porcelain dial. Previously fetching £25,000, it is now available at £17,950 below retail. A unisex favorite, this model continues to be the best-selling colorway in the steel and gold Daytona range. Daytona Steel and Gold Champagne Diamond Dial. A less common version, this 2020 model features a factory-set diamond champagne dial, a discontinued configuration that balances luxury with functionality. Currently listed around £17,000, £18,000, far under the price of newer models that now exceed £22,000. Date 40 Olive Green Dial Rose Gold. A classic symbol of prestige. This olive green dial on rose gold presidential bracelet continues to be a collector's favorite. While demand has softened slightly, this 2022 piece is priced at £38,000, below its £40,000 retail. Elegant, rare, and instantly recognizable. This current analysis reveals a Rolex market defined by strategic pricing differences and shifting collector behavior. As always, being informed about market trends and model-specific pricing is essential. With retail showrooms increasingly stocked and the gray market offering more competitive pricing, today's buyers must rely on up-to-date knowledge to make smart acquisitions. What are your thoughts on the Rolex models we featured in this video? We would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Once again, this is the luxury world, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.